Most long videos die in silence. But what if an AI could find the only 20 seconds people can't stop watching? Let's turn a 12-minute documentary into multiple viral shorts and see which ones the AI ranks highest for virality in one click. I picked a NASA documentary. Beautiful, but too long for social media. Let's log into the app. It couldn't be easier. Just type Opus Clip into Google, click the first result, and sign in. This is the Opus Clip dashboard. Clean, simple, and ready to create. Opus Clip gives you 90 credits for free, a perfect sandbox to experiment with AI video editing. You can upload your long video, drop a YouTube link, or even connect Google Drive. Then, one click. Get clips in one click. Now let's upload our video. Just copy and paste the YouTube link right here, and let's see what happens next. Once the YouTube link is pasted, Opus Clip automatically loads the video. Here, you can see the preview. It's the NASA documentary we're using. Now that our YouTube link is loaded, let's take a closer look at the main settings. First, we have the clip model option. You can keep it on auto, and the AI will decide the best model for your video. Or you can manually choose Clip Anything or Clip Basic, which works great for talking head or interview style videos. Next is the genre menu. Here you can tell the AI what kind of video you're working with: a Q&A, commentary, marketing, webinar, motivational speech, or podcast. Choosing the right genre helps the AI detect the right tone and rhythm for your short clips. Then comes the clip length setting. You can let it run on auto or decide exactly how long your shorts should be. This is perfect if you want to tailor your videos for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels. If you ever want to process the full video without cutting it, simply click Don't Clip. That keeps your original video length intact. Finally, we reach one of the most fun parts, the caption presets. Opus Clip offers several AI-generated caption styles, like karaoke, deep diver, pod P, or glitch infinite. Each of them gives your video a different visual energy. You can preview the styles and pick one that matches your tone. And don't forget to keep the aspect ratio to 9:16. That's the vertical format optimized for mobile platforms. Once everything looks ready, hit Get Clips in one click and let the AI do the heavy lifting. And here's the magic. In just a few minutes, Opus Clip has transformed our full video into multiple short clips, each one carefully analyzed and scored by the AI. On the left, you can see the virality score, a number from 0 to 100, predicting how engaging and shareable each short could be. The higher the score, the stronger the potential to go viral. Next to the score, these small icons summarize each clip's context. The calendar icon indicates that the shorts can be published to any social network. The download icon shows you can download the shorts on your desktop, and the scissors confirm that the clip can be manually edited by yourself. You can edit the text transcript directly, highlight key sentences, and instantly generate captions that match the rhythm of the voice. On the right, you'll find tools for enhancing speech, adding transitions, B-rolls, or even brand templates. It's like having a mini video studio inside your browser. You can scroll through all your generated clips here. Each one has its own duration, caption style, and highlighted keywords, ready to post directly on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Reels. And the best part? You can preview, edit, or download each short instantly without any manual cutting or reformatting. From a 12-minute documentary to 19 ready-to-publish shorts, all powered by AI. And that's it. One long video turned into 19 smart clips, all analyzed and ready to go. Pretty cool, right? If you want to try it yourself, you can create a free account. You get 90 credits to test and see what the AI creates from your videos. And if you enjoyed this little discovery, make sure to subscribe for more short, surprising tools like this one. Every week, we explore new AI tools that save time, spark creativity, and make content creation just more fun.